Just click on this place, and after that lock your profile. And hey, what is up guys, hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great, and welcome back to another episode of tips and tricks. And in this episode of tips and tricks, I'll show you how you can lock your profile like this. Your profile is locked. Like previously I made another video and that got pretty a lot of views, like as you can see this video, but this method doesn't work anymore. There's another new method. Like Facebook sucks really. It used to make a lot of methods every single day and people are commenting like this method is not working. So I'm very shameful for these people, but I cannot be shameful because it's Facebook what is doing all the problems. Anyway, let me show you how you can lock your profile right now in these days. The thing is, you have to have one friend who has his profile already locked. Like as you can see, my account is locked, my friend's account is not locked. Let me show you, it's loading, and my friend's account is not locked. And right now we're gonna lock this account. Like this account is not locked as you can see, but my account is locked. So let me show you how you can do that. Like here as you can see, I'm in my account, and after that you need to click on your profile is locked, and after that you need to be friend with each other. Like it's very simple. And after that you need to click on invite friends to lock their profile, and after that you need to search for friends. Like I'm just gonna search for this one, so let me search for this one. So here is this one, and after that you need to click on invite, and as you can see invitation sent. And right now, and let's see what happened. Here's the notification. As you can see, let me show you, here is a notification. Let me drop down the brightness a little bit, and here is the notification. As you can see, Mahmud invited you to lock your profile, and just click on this place, and after that lock your profile. And it is very simple. Right now it is going to lock your profile, and sometimes it takes a little time. Let's see what happened right now. Now let's go to my account. Here as you can see that accepted your invitation to lock the profile, help other products. So I don't need to do anything, but his profile is already locked. It's very simple. And here I was editing the video and it's been around 20 minutes, and after that it appears like here as you can see this profile is locked. Like it took a little time to come on, but right now it is on. Like as you can see this profile is locked. Anyway, hopefully you can right now lock your profile, and if you can lock your profile, then I have to say goodbye, because that's my thing to do today, and I just helped you to lock your profile. That's the reason you need to subscribe. Yes, good.